Hi, I'm Joan Whitson.
And I'm Erica Bowserman with the Early Learning Coalition of North Florida. And
welcome to Hands-on Botanicals. We're here today with another nature activity that you can do with preschoolers. We're going to show you how to make beautiful pressed flower nature art. Oh, isn't that
it's like
gorgeous?
A sun catcher gorgeous. Look at the colors.
This is the easiest possible activity to do.
Ooh.
The supplies needed are just clear contact paper, which I got a whole roll of it at Walmart,
right,
and assorted flower and nature items. Scissors and picture frames are optional. You can have the kids make these as gifts or just fun project for home or the classroom. To make the activity even better, start out with a nature walk where the kids can walk around outside and collect the items themselves. Items can include, what do we got? Leaves,
I got some
flowers.
bark. Oh, look, I have grass.
Sticks, even grass.
And we have, well, we don't have, where's my little, I found this in the sand dunes. Look at this, it's kind of feathered.
I know, there's so many neat things
cool that is when
you could
blow
find
it.
when you're just walking around nature. And if you're not in a location where you can go on a nature walk, then hopefully you as a parent or teacher can go to a park or go somewhere and collect the items for the kids in your classroom. All these items here just came from Erica's neighborhood or mine.
Yep.
So all we have to do is then gather the items, spread them out, and then let the kids place the items on one at a time on the contact paper. And what's great is that the contact paper will make the items stick. So let's do this, Erica.
Okay,
oh my gosh.
Okay. All right, I got my...
What are you going to go with?
I think I like grass. That's always very nice. But Joan, I like that pretty orange feather thing you brought in from home.
And I've got a fern because I think that looks, and see how they stick just like that?
And I'm going to do, look how pretty this one is.
Oh.
Do I stick it up or how would you do that?
You do it however you want.
I think I'll just lay it
That was
here.
from a little bush in my backyard.
That's really pretty.
I got a little pink flower.
And I'm going to put a little rose. Look, I have some rose petals. And I'm going to put this bark. Who doesn't have bark in their yard? Bark,
I like this one. And then some more leaves. Oh, how about some herbs over there?
Yeah,
you got
I have some herbs. Should I snip some chives?
I actually like this whole, you know what I'm going to do?
I want
to put that whole stick
I love drama.
Yes,
Gives
I know.
Drama.
Oh, a daisy.
A daisy. Here, I'm snipping some chives. And while you're doing this herb stuff, as Joan loves it, herbaceous awesomeness.
That's right.
You can smell the chives.
Talk about each of the herbs. Have the kids smell them. Woo, I love it.
We can
smell the flowers.
Right
talk about all the different flowers.
Yeah.
So this was just a tall piece of grass that I found.
Oh, that works.
Off one of my bushes in the yard.
Did we do this one? Let me do a little purple flower here.
Yeah, I need a couple more little flowers if you can get it.
That some more color.
That makes a color. Yeah. Put a stem of that pink one. Wouldn't that be cool? And that purple one.
Yeah. I don't know. I forget what this is called. Some Tahitian something plant. A tiki plant. I don't know what it is, but it's really pretty.
All right.
We'll add that in. Do we want it? We do want to go all the way to the edges.
I would leave it at least an inch around the edges, okay? Because
we want a firm seal.
Yes,
right?
because how we're going to seal it now. We're going to do this right now. We're going to take another piece of contact paper, which you've cut the exact same size as your first one, and we're going to put it on top, and it's going to seal it all together.
And I'm going to take this flower apart.
Okay.
And then the kids can see the different petals. And that adds a little more color. And do we have enough? I think we're good.
I think we do.
Okay.
And you can decide how much. Now, what would be really cool, I think, in a classroom if you had a big, long sheet and put it on your table, and then all the kids could just work on one big one together. How neat that would be.
And you could also take this and put it out on the fence of your playground with some blue painter's tape. And as the kids walk around the playground, they can throw these things right on the collage.
That's an excellent idea.
And then they could put it inside when they were done. So this becomes the tricky part.
Yeah, this is the only part that's kind of tricky. So I would take the contact paper and just unroll it about halfway, and just so you can get a start, and then you seal it, and then we just
look at this, two brains
and
four hands.
And we just
all right, Joan, you're the expert.
Just keep going and look at that, and now, and it doesn't have to make and just press it down.
Press it down. Oh, we did good. We had a little wrinkle here and there, but it still looks good.
That looks really...
Look how vivid the colors look.
Now, let's see. Now the big moment, we're going to hold it up and hopefully show you in the light. Oh my goodness. Look at this.
This way, too.
Oh, you hold it. Oh,
look at this.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Oh.
Now, did this, these would make beautiful gifts if you cut these and had a picture frame, like a beautiful white. What a great Mother's Day gift or a gift it would be, and you can just hang them in there. You can also do this, with fake flowers if you want to. But the whole point of this is just really getting out in nature and finding different things,
like stained glass.
And that's exactly what we made. We just made a beautiful stained glass.
Isn't this
picture.
Beautiful? Yes, very
So we
nice.
hope that you'll do this project. And I think you'll really find that the kids will really enjoy getting hands-on and seeing their creations come together.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
So have fun getting back into nature.
And enjoy and find your Zen.
And please subscribe to our ELC of Florida YouTube channel for more fun educational videos.
Absolutely.
Have a great day. Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye. Oh, nice eyelashes. Okay.